This is the DT70 Plus. It's a Bluetooth calling dress watch with all kinds of capabilities. You got brightness, AliExpress, information on this one. You can go into your settings, activate your Siri, make an SOS call if you need to. You've got twist your wrist to see the time. That lets you touch the screen to activate it, and vibration capability control, and a very, very bright flashlight, all from these direct pull-down menu items here. Go off this way, you've got your Bluetooth calling and texting, Alipay, and power level, your basic functions that you'd be using this for. Again, Alipay only works in China. This is your step count information, your heart rate measurements. There's the weather in your area, a blood oxygen, and then a simulated ECG. It's not real. There's no real electrodes. It uses just the optical diodes, just like the heart rate, to give you a heart measurement and a simulated chart across the top of it. When you come back here, you can swipe up. Any of the apps you've opened will be shown here, and you can scroll through and change them just like you can on Android. When you press the side button, you get into all of your apps. All of your phone stuff is here to begin with. Then your fitness stuff, your measurements, including blood pressure, along with blood oxygen, music player, you got stopwatches, countdown timers, weather. You can set the time on the watch. You've got a calculator in this one, breath exercisers, a massager that'll cause it to vibrate, and you can rub your neck with it if you want to. NFC, and of course, overall settings are there as well. When you twist the knob, you can change to any of the installed watch faces, and there's quite a few really, really nice ones. It's a beautiful watch, comes with a couple of different bands depending on the option that you decide to buy, and very clean design all in all. It's the DT70 Plus. Check it out.